Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here, tap on the gear icon to exit its settings, and then go to the watermark section. And here we can enable custom watermark and add our own phrase or our name or our tag, anything you want, something like that could be. And now every photo we take will be marked with our new custom watermark. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.